Today's menu: whole grain red rice with asparagus and shrimps. Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. This is our mise en place we got here. We got some garlic, some onion, asparagus, our red rice, shrimps, dried tomatoes, our broth with shrimps, homemade. This is just the core of our dish here. We got our paella pan where we are using it. This oil I'm using here is the core also for all dishes like paellas and anything you're preparing with seafood. I leave in the description the link for this video. Is just a fantastic way of powering up your flavors. Yeah, it's a very easy to prepare and you can just have it at home on the fridge and use it like I'm doing. Just you see, it was very easy to prepare. So we're gonna start our dish. We are gonna sear our asparagus as well as our shrimps. Yeah, just cooking it 1 minute for each side, and then we are gonna remove them from the pan. Yeah, it's just very easy. It's it's not a big deal. We want a little bit of the flavor of while we are searing it on the pan, because we're gonna remove all the flavor later on with some veggies we are using. Yeah, minutes gone, just turn it the other side of the meat as well as the asparagus. Yeah, just like that. We just wanna give a previous cook and sear it. It's not a big deal. Yeah. If you like so far the video, just click the like, subscribe to the channel. Of course, it helps us, the content creator, to keep up hacking this complicated algorithms. Yeah. So after the second minute's gone, we're gonna remove all our shrimps and the asparagus, and we're gonna leave it on the side. And it's time to start sauteing our onion and some dried tomatoes I got here from last year harvest. I planted them, I grew them, and I harvest them and just conserve it in some jars. There's also a full video for how to conserve your harvest. Yeah, it is now it's time to remove the asparagus. Yeah, as you see, they are just not burned, they are not overcooked, they are just still raw, of course, because we're gonna finish it up when we add our broth. Yeah, and now it's time to add my tomatoes, which I mentioned I did them myself. These are Venezuelan tomatoes. I got the seeds and I grew them here at home. Yeah. Oh, so now it's time for them. I'm gonna add 2 or 3 tongs. It depends on how much rice you are using. I'm using only 1 cup because I'm cooking for 3 people, and this cup was around 350 grams. Or the paella pan is a little bit too big for that, but the other one was too small, so I didn't have the middle one. But it works as well. Yeah, now it's time to mash a little bit and remove also the flavor that our shrimps and asparagus left on the oil on the pan. Yeah, this is the idea. You see, not overheating it. It's just nice temperature. You always control your temperature. It's quite important. Yeah, this is our garlic, onion, and the tomatoes. Just like that. You see on the side, I got my shrimps here, just waiting, and the asparagus as well. Yeah. So it's now look our whole grain red rice I brought from Italy. Now we're gonna add it to the pan. I have only 1 cup of rice, which I say was around 350 to 400 grams. So just stir fries and mix together with our sofrito we got here, with the minced tomato, onion, and the garlic. Just stir fry a little bit, just saute, not overheat it. Now it's very important not to overheat and to ruin your dish. If you burn the rice, you are cooked. So just like that, you see, nice temperature. Now another turn to the rice, just mix it a little bit more. That's everything get how you call it. I don't know this word in English, but it's just that the rice get like the first pre-cooked, yeah, here with the rice. It's saute. It's very important, yeah. Now it's time to add our broth. Look, 1 cup, 2 cups. This broth has salt and have everything. That's why I'm not adding any salt. Yeah, 3 cups and 4 cups. With 4 cups should work perfect, but I have a leftover of half a cup, so I'm adding it. Yeah, it was 4 and almost the half of the other cup, so 4.5 cup, I would say. Yeah. Now spread the rice that everything gets settled in the bottom, and not that the rice get only in one side. Try to remove it and to spread all along your pan. Yeah, it's very important. Otherwise, you will have too much rice on one side and nothing on the other side. And now it's time to incorporate our asparagus. You can cut them. You can add them holes as I'm using them here on top, and give you the shape you like. I'm making just like that, and add now later on your shrimps. Of course, you can just give the shape you like. I'm using this way, just spontaneous way, yeah, of making it. And now it's very important to keep the temperature that the water boils, so not too low at the beginning. We need temperature that our broth get heated up, the boil temperature, and after that we're gonna reduce it. We're gonna cover it with the lid of the grill and just carefully finish it cooking. Yeah, it will take, maybe depend on the rice. Check your rice, will take 15 to 20 minutes. Depend on the rice and depend on the temperature, but that's a matter of you have to take care of it, because it depends on the rice you're using and your pan, and yeah, the evaporation of the pan. It's all there, but I'm sure you will make it. It's not a big deal. And just after that, just then leave your rice rest. After you turn it off, leave it at rest 5 to 10 minutes, just to settle down the flavors, the temperature, and the evaporation will happen fully to the rice. And I'm sure you will have a good result, because it's a very easy to prepare. It's very nice to cook as well for a Sunday for the family, just like that. Well, as I said, if you like the video, hit that thumb up button, subscribe to the channel, and look what we have got here. Yeah, its time is almost done. I'm gonna turn it off now and just let it rest 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, this is what we got. Yeah, you see it. That's why I told you that my pan was too big for the amount of rice I was using, but the other one was too small. I got one a little bit missing rice on the side, but it doesn't matter. It was very nice and it was very delicious to be eaten. Thank you very much and enjoy it.